Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add the Google Sheets documents shortcuts on your home screen on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing we have to do is just go open our Google Sheet application and choose the documents that we want to create the shortcuts. So let's say I would like to have a shortcuts for the balance table right here. So you just need to go click these three small dots and copy the link. And now we just need to go back into the home and let's just open the shortcuts application. So the shortcuts application will be symbolized with this icon. So you just need to go click it to open it. And after that, there will be three sections of the shortcuts that you can have on your phone, and you just need to go open the shortcut section. In this shortcut section, you just need to scrolling down until you found this starter shortcuts or home screen or anything it is. So you just need to go click the plus button right here to add the new action, and right here now you just need to go click this add actions and just type a URL. And make sure you choose this open URLs, and here you just need to paste the URLs or the link that you have been copied before, and after that you just need to go click done. So you already got this quick shortcut. So click these three small dots right here, and after that in the URLs part you just need to go click rename and rename it with the name of the documents that you have, which is balance table. And you can also change the icons too if you want. To change the icon, you just need to go click done first, go back into the three small dot, go click expanding the link and add into your home screen. You can just go change the picture by clicking this part, by exporting the picture from your photo library. Let's say this is the one of the example, and then choose and go click add. And now you already got your balance table shortcuts on your home screen. So that is the way how to make a shortcuts on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.